figured out what to prepare because they love this particular one, pepper soup. Yeah, guys, I'm preparing pepper soup, so we are going to have, this is chicken pepper soup, quite alright. They love pepper soup, no matter what. I said, okay, people will not eat jollof, you will not eat fried. So guys, this is me preparing pepper soup. I just added my scent leaf, you know. Videos of pepper soup is already on my list now, so I just had to do this one. And my pepper soup, thank God, fresh scent leaf as usual. Let's do it for birthday people, because we just have to kids, we just have to. Finally, guys, we are having white rice and pepper soup. So no jollof rice, no fried rice. So let me dish out food. Oh no, this is my own. So let me add a little. As usual, daddy dishes out his food though. Daddy dishes out his food. So I'm dishing for I and the kids. And birthday girl is actually sleeping. Oh, can you imagine? She's sleeping. So these kids, I'm sure they will finish this one. So over to our pepper soup. Let me bring it closer. Yeah, chicken pepper soup. If I put this thing now, let me just put it. They will leave the food that they are supposed to eat and be eating meat. But I have to put it now. Chungazimada, come and carry your food. Oh. Carry your food. What are you having? What is that? Meat. Meat. Pepper soup, Joe. I want to come and carry your food. Hey, keep it. Carry your food. Yeah. Good girl.
Like one big test with barely much time to rest. It goes right when you go left. It's more than you can digest, but nobody's gonna die if you say you need some time to step back and clear your mind. Yeah, everyone will be fine. All you need to know is all you gotta breathe.
Why put the toilets here? You know, come to the continent.
Okay.